Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down until here you found your logout. So when you just click here on logout here, so then automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your Hinge app. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. That's all. I wish you I get it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.